So we're doing a little explore day today, and then we just literally found this little like alley, I guess. Just a bunch of different colors of like their houses and whatnot. Cute!
Trying to give you a tour. So guys, Google Translate works offline. It's great.
Pretty much, that's what you're gonna do here. This place is so cute, like literally have different rooms to tell which is which.
This is for sustainable movement.
Everything's just reusable. Like he just made a clock out of that. What?
Like if you touch it down the middle, it like serves up. I don't know what it's called, but I've like been on a life mission to find it. So if you know what it is, comment down below.
We're getting better in understanding Spanish now.
Shout out to Google Translate, sponsor this video, because if it wasn't for you, then
we would know nothing.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Jack, never let go.
Rose, I'll never let go.
Wherever you are, I believe that my heart will go on.
There's so many damn couples here that you just need to hold hands to make you feel now.
Show me the meaning of being lonely.
It's fine.
Dude, there's not even all of the stairs. There's more friggin' stairs. Rose, that booty's gonna be good.
Leg day, guys. Leg day in Peru.
Leg day, all day, every day.
Maybe
They're so cute.
Take my
The bag hit me. Rose, you getting the feels?
Why can't I dance? I feel like I know that I never danced like this. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Come on, try. Wait. Am I the guy? Follow me.
So cute.
It was a progress, you know. By the end of 6 weeks, we're gonna be like that, like a professional dance.
That's the plan. 6 weeks. 6 weeks we're gonna learn Spanish and we're gonna learn how to dance.
Yeah.
Ice cream, ice cream, oh, ice cream.
And fresa.
Gracias. What is up, guys? So I didn't do an intro for this day, but I just want to let you guys know that Rose and we had a little roommate date in Mira Flores, and sorry for like the nasally voice. Literally the day that I got back to Canada, I got sick, which sucks. But I just wanted to pop in and do a little intro because I didn't do an intro for this day. It pisses me off, but yeah. This girl left me so then she can freaking take a picture. But guess where we're at? We're at Peruvian McDonald's. So with every McDonald's, I know that there's like a different like item or whatever. So we're gonna see if there's anything that's different with Peruvian McDonald's. Okay, so Rose just made a thing. They're using McDonald's jeans. Rose. This is your home.
Why can't we have this though? McRuffin on that ass.
Yo, it's McDonald's jeans style. So I got the Dijon mustard, which apparently Rose said out of all like the other signatures, this was probably something that's more special. So let's see. And it's wrapped, which is something different.
That's what the Anguses are supposed to be like.
Oh my gosh. That looks so good.
Smells good too, guys.
It does smell good.
Take it.
So we're literally gonna get bracelets, and it was like only like 5 souls. So we just need to find the girl because she ain't here. But look at all these bracelets, they're so cute.
Can you cut for us?
We found a park that's literally just all cats.
I'm gonna cry.
There's literally just cats everywhere.
Oh my
literally, there's just cats
and
everywhere.
old people making out.
And old people making out.
Oh my god.
But look, hold on. They're so cute. Just a bunch of cats. Just a bunch of cats. So cute.
Literally all just stray cats. Here to look away from it in case it wants to pull some like stealth move on me.
Oh my gosh.
Yes!
Oh, get it, girl. Oh my god, we are totally alike.
Today's a great day. Now we're gonna go get some coffee and we're gonna go get some cake.
You're just on cloud
It's a
9.
bueno day.
Literally, we were just walking. We're like, ooh, cat. And we turn around. There's so many more other cats. Dude, I love Lima at nighttime sometimes.
Yeah, and look at this.
We got our matching. Not is it matching?
Sort of matching.
Sort of matching. So I got the red one. She got the black one, and it's so I don't know. This little adventure is a bueno time. Maracuya and piña, and we're satisfied.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cheers.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, so good.
Tomorrow.
So what just happened, girl?
No, it's okay. I just got on by a bird.
Okay. Poor baby, poor baby.
Okay. In line to get churros. Putting chocolate, put it in the sugar first. Yes, pump that. Ooh, Gracias. First bite.
Hey guys, so I want to end the vlog right here because the next vlog will actually be our first destination trip with the squad, so get ready for that and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!